What's up, everybody? Lone Star Assetto here. Last night, Sunday night, we had some fun. Took a crew up to Redbull Stadium at Tamada and also ran OBS backwards. Our drivers, we had Gerrit in the purple jzx100, a newcomer to the server in the Redbull FD RX7 at OBS. And at Redbull Stadium, we had Gerald Driftbreezy in the 13B Hankook RX7. We had his friend who joined the server, who's new to Assetto Corsa and did really well in the teal 13B RX7. In the FD RX7, the Madbul at Redbull Stadium was Alex, the Russian, and myself was in the LS RX7 that's white, blue, and black. Just wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to everybody for all the support so far. We greatly appreciate it. On the chalkboard today, we've got JSC Gaming. Do me a favor, check out their YouTube channel. They've got some really cool content. If you like watching Assetto Corsa drifting, you enjoy drifting, go check them out. Great people. Also, want to say thank you for helping us grow the community, the Lone Star Assetto community. The servers are getting more and more packed. Lots of great drivers coming in. So do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep it growing. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Oh, that was so cool.
Woo, he threw hell angle. Oh, sorry, bro. He threw mad angle on that thing.
I saw that.
It's nice. He would have pulled it off, kind of parked it, but.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I choked. Those get really tough for me because it's like I need to e-brake, I need a left foot brake, like there's just a lot going on there.
Yeah, man.
All right, I'll eat it.
Hold on 1 second, I'm not quite there. All right, you can go.
Both you guys there. Oh. Is everybody in?
Yes, that was nice. Hell yeah. Your past like 4 transitions were so fun to follow. I messed that one up a little bit, but whatever. Ooh, with a little tappy too. Oh, bumpy. Oh, that was so nice,
close.
Dude.
That must have been close.
That was so nice. That was really good. Uh-oh. This is the best run we've had all night so far. That was good. good one.
No! I knew it. It was too good. It was too good.
Oh, bummer.
That first
nice,
whole
though.
section was badass. All right, go ahead. I'll try to follow you one more time, then I'm gonna call it. Dope. One more time, lead it off. That was awesome.
Hell yeah.
Finally got some video.
Oh,
Uh-oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. There, yeah. I'm going for the endorsement.
Oh no!
So close.
Oops. I fell
Dude,
off.
we are getting it. We are getting it, man.
Holy fudge. Alright.
Oh, you're going too slow.
Oh yeah.
Edit, this lap's gone. Oh shit. I'm with you.
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, that was so sweet. My whole bumper was planted on the wall.
I was too busy watching out for those tires. I almost ran him over. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Oh shit.
Oh, that was so sweet. I went over the rumble strips with both my back tires. Wow. Oopsie.
Try to help
Too
you.
much. What time is it?
One more lap. One more.
Oh, I gotta go.
One more lap.
Alright, one more lap. One more lap. You want to lead or,
Yeah, I'll
or
lead.
chase? Alright, hold on one second. Okay. Jeez. I can't catch up to you.
Thanks, Egan. Appreciate it.
There we
It's
go.
really cool. My son's over there on my keyboard fucking with me. All right, I'm out. And that's a set of brake pads. I was pushing so hard on brakes. Let's do that again, huh?
I can't drive.
Damn, 13B's mugged me. Oh, you guys, that's so beautiful. That was so nice.